Ready to download those pics of the magical memories you just made? Here's what you need to know. If you pre-purchased your Memory Maker, you will need to activate it to be able to download your photos. Click on the three lines at the bottom right to go to the menu, and then click on Photos. You'll see there's a watermark across the pictures. Click on the photo and a screen will pop up. Click on Activate My Photos, and then click on Activate at the bottom, and you're all set. You have 30 days from the date you activate your Memory Maker to download your photos. After 30 days, they are no longer available for download. To see your pictures, navigate to the main menu and click on Photos. All the pictures from one day will be grouped together and can be seen by swiping on the arrow to scroll through your options. To download, click on the picture, choose Save and the photo size you want, and your photo will be downloaded. Magic shots are fun additions photographers add to your photo. It's always neat to see who pops up in your pictures. Magic shots are not available with every photographer, so be sure to ask if they have any magic shots available or if they can tell you where to find a photographer who does have them. If you're sharing a Memory Maker with people connected to your account as friends and family, only one person will be able to download the pictures. That person will need to upload the photos to a sharing site or share their My Disney Experience account login information so their friends can access the pictures. If you have issues with the Memory Maker while you're traveling, stop by the PhotoPass location at the front of the park for assistance.